welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a lot, and I don't want to take too much time on an intro because I really just want to talk to you about my thoughts and an update. And really, this is going to be very two-way. I'm going to be in the comments and really want to hear what you guys think because YouTube is dying, and I want to talk about it. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe because up until today, I uploaded every other day, and moving forward, it'll be a little bit less than that. But make sure you're subscribed so you can stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into some updates and thoughts and platforming and all of that, stay tuned. I apologize if the energy's low. This is a really weird video to make. I have been on YouTube since September of 2017. I am not going anywhere, but I feel like the amount of long form videos, these traditional YouTube videos with the thumbnail that are like 10 minutes long, they take a lot of time, they take a lot out of me, and I've noticed unless it's like a BoxyCharm video, they get 100 to 200 views, whereas I filmed a little Temu haul short in like 10 minutes earlier in the day, and after an hour it had like 2,000 views. And like I'm hearing from analytics that people want short form video, and all of our favorite TikTokers do, 2 to 3 short form videos a day, and that's a lot of work too, don't get me wrong, but it is about the same amount of work as me doing 2 to 3 of these videos a week. So I really want to get your input and your insight on what is the right way to go. On TikTok and Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, predominantly I've been posting, my macro product shots because I really enjoy creating those. I've been doing those for years behind the scenes for brands privately. And it wasn't until 2021 or so that I started posting them on my own platforms. And I do really enjoy doing that. Those are not going anywhere. I'm going to keep doing it. But the question, I guess, is whether or not these long form videos should be phased out for maybe 2 to 3 short form videos every day, make it a little bit more, you'll get more videos that are just shorter instead of me droning for hours and hours. And it'll be a little more sustainable for me. So my first question in the comments, please sound off. Would you prefer to see more of these long form videos, or would you prefer me to shift more towards those short form videos? Either way, I will be decreasing the amount of these videos that go up. I've been trying for every other day, and it's a lot. When I first started my channel, I was doing every other day. I think I was doing every Monday and Thursday. So I'm thinking about maybe going down to a twice a week thing and really just cutting it down a bit more. Either way, every other day is too much for me. Every single month, I end up missing a couple videos because I miss every other day. It doesn't happen for one reason or another. And then the next thing I know, I feel like shit because I've skipped something or missed something. And none of you are giving me a hard time about it. Nobody else notices that I'm missing them, but I'm noticing, and it is not great for my mental health for me to feel like crap because I missed a deadline that I'm the only person enforcing, if that makes any sense. So either way, I'm going to be going down to 2 videos a week instead of 3 to 4, cutting my workload pretty much in half so I can focus on other things and really streamline the processes. And I guess my second question is, I've noticed that a lot of you like when I talk about products in an abstract way, when I talk about benefits of an ingredient or benefits of a type of product like a serum or an essence. And some of you really like when I talk about a specific product. So I would love question number 2 in the comment section. Do you prefer product reviews where I do this product is here, let's talk about it, try it, go from a more product review focus? Or do you like more educational, here's how to apply your concealer, not necessarily what concealer it is, but just how to make the most out of whatever you have? And understand that I'm happy to do a mixture of both, a little bit of either. I'm not going to ever just do one or the other, but I'm really interested in some of the things that you guys are interested in because after 6 years on YouTube, there's nothing more discouraging than thousands of views on videos, thousands of views, and then 110 views on a video that it takes me hours to put together between setting my lights, getting ready, filming, editing, posting, thumbnails, description boxes. And I don't want to sound like I'm bitching because I love what I do and I really enjoy that I get to do this. But I want to make sure that if I'm taking the time to make these videos, that I'm making the type of videos that you all want to see. So I guess the third question is just going to be a very open-ended, what do you want to see? Do you want product reviews or do you want demos or applications or tutorials or a different type of content? I've been working in wellness content recently and food content. I was a chef. I'm a culinary school graduate. That was an entire career that I had before I left to do social media full time. I don't really share a lot of that side and I would love to start. So, whatever you're interested in seeing, sound off down below because I would love to hear it so that I can make for you what you want to see. And I guess my fourth question and my fourth point in a roundabout way, I'm trying to keep this video short, is I'm not stopping my partnerships anytime soon. My BoxyCharm and my Ipsy unboxings and those type of videos where they're not sponsored, but the brands send it every month, and every month I create content. And I know that those are the videos you guys like to see. I'm going to continue to do those. However, is there a format that you prefer? In the beginning of my YouTube journey, I would get a box and I would unbox it on camera. I wouldn't even look what was in there. We would go through the motions of doing my makeup, and it would be like a 30-minute video. And I noticed that people wanted shorter videos. So I broke it up and I started doing an unboxing and then a demo. And I noticed that people wanted them back together, but they wanted them together and short. And I'll be honest, it is very hard to do a 5 to 6 product review, demo, tutorial, unboxing with final thoughts and a roundup. Is the box worth it? While also trying to give each product inside a dedicated mini review. I could do a 10-minute video on one product review, let alone reviewing the box and each product inside individually. So, for those videos, would you rather I try and do all of it at once? Would you rather it broken up? Would you rather an unboxing video and then a single video on I got this eyeshadow palette, let's use it. I got this brush, let's use it, and break it up that way, which I'll be honest would be much easier in a short form video. I could do a long video on a BoxyCharm unboxing, what I love and why, and then I can say in a TikTok video or a short Reels video, here's the palette, let's put it to use. Here's the brush, let's put it to use. Each item kind of getting its own moment to shine. I know that's a lot to put on you, and I feel like just talking it out has made me a little bit more understanding of what I want to do. I still want to hear your thoughts. I feel like I'm leaning towards 2 long form videos a week, maybe one, really breaking it down to just the essential long form videos, and then filling it in with reels and shorts throughout the rest of the month. I will be posting like I do now every day, no matter what, on some platform. I try to post every day on either Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. So make sure you're following me everywhere. Right now, I'm kind of posting the same shit on every platform. I really want to focus that down and maybe focus Instagram for my product reviews and my macro shots, and less product video on TikTok and more short form talking videos, which would be the same style as what would be in like a YouTube short. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. I'm going to marinate on it a little bit, and I would love to hear from you. So please, if you could just take the time and leave me the answers to those 4 questions in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video, which will be in a day or two, I promise. But after that, it's going to be a little bit more like once or twice a week. Thanks again. I'll see you next time. Bye.